This is BTEC Engineering, Unit 7, Section B16 of the Section B examples. We're on page 20. As usual, this is a video and not a lesson, so you may need to pause in order to take notes. Right, as usual, as it's been for the last few sections and will be until the end of Section B, Part A is about using the mid-ordinate rule with 4 strips to see how far the vehicle has travelled, in this case in 4 seconds, and the formula is V equals T times 2T plus 1. So, in dealing with this, we have to follow the same process as we've done before. So strip width is equal to the how long you've been travelling for, 4 divided by the number of strips, 4, is equal to 1. So our strips would look like this: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So they're going up in ones. For the mid-ordinate rules, we need the midpoints. So 0.5, 1.5, 2.5, 3.5. So the table we need to complete is this one with all the midpoints in. And as usual, we're going to use the table mode in order to do that. So in this case, we'll go for mode 7 for table mode. Then we stick this formula in with x is where the t's are, so x times 2x plus 1. If you need to put x in, we press alpha's close bracket. So alpha x, 2 alpha x plus 1 equals start. We're starting at 0.5. And the table ends at 3.5. And the steps, they're going up in ones. So completing the table, 1, 6, 15, 28. We then apply the mid-ordinate rule formula. Which is strip width times open bracket the sum of the V. So in this case the strip width is equal to 1, and then we add up all our V values. 1 plus 6 plus 15 plus 28. Mode 1, to go back to normal calculation mode, 1 plus 6 plus 15 plus 28 gives 50. And as usual, if you want to merit a distinction, you're going to need to explain your method. So, trapezium rule, we have a slightly different table. So for the trapezium rule, we need the endpoints of the strips. So t values 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we're back to table mode, mode 7, table mode. F of x equals, stick the formula back in, x times 2x plus 1. Starting, well now we're starting at 0, because the table starts at 0, ending at 4 because the table ends at 4, and it's going up in 1 still. So 0, 4, 1, we get a table. So filling it in, 0, 3, 10, 21, 36. We then apply the formula, so the trapezium rule equals strip width divided by 2, open bracket, first plus last, 2 times, open bracket, sum of the rest. Close bracket. Stick in our values, strip width is equal to 1, divided by 2, open bracket. First is 0, plus last is 36, plus 2 times the sum of the rest, the 3, the 10 and the 21. Stick into calculate and calculate it. Mode 1 to go back to normal calculation mode. So stick in the values in, make sure to put all brackets in. We get an estimate of 52. Run it again. If you want to write a distinction, explain your method. Part C, Simpson's rule, using the same table, just a different formula. So strip width over 3. Open bracket, first plus last. Plus 4 times the even. Plus 2 times the rest of the odd. Where the even and the odd relate to position. So in this case, that's the first position, second, which is even, third, which is odd, fourth, which is even, fifth, which is last in this case. So sticking in the values, strip width is 1 over 3, open bracket, first plus last, 0 plus 36, plus 4 times even, 2 even ones, 3 plus 21, close bracket, plus 2 times the rest of the odd, only one odd, and that's the 10. Put in the calculator, making sure you put all the brackets in. So 36 plus 4 times, 3 plus 21, close bracket, plus 2 times, bracket 10, close bracket equals. And we get 50.6667 to 4 decimal places. Or 50 2/3 would also be acceptable as an estimate. Then usual part D. The answer in B9 is the exact answer using integration. So you would first point that out in a comparison, and then you would say which of your estimates is closest to that answer, and which one's the best. So if Simpson's rule is closest, you would say Simpson's rule is the best, and then you would say the next best for the next closest, and then the one that's furthest away you would consider to be the worst estimate. Best of luck.